Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, you comment, and you also subscribe to this channel. I share entertainment news and celebrity gossip. Guys, izindaba zabantu abayithu azingenwa. Yazi indaba zabantu abayithu azingenwa. Like, seyisele nathi manje indaba. You guys remember the couple that trended nje, I think last week or last week or last month, but they trended this. Okay, they are married, so the wife uti she found something with cell phone, and this person has been cheating with more than 100 women. She found ama contacts, guma blocked contacts. Name of the wife Precious and Tabiso Paul. We know them, guys. In
Stop wasting my time. When I'm busy, you want to how come man? You don't answer my phone. Something.
They trended from TikTok to Facebook to everywhere. Even people on Twitter, they were just talking about this. Ugel was just exposing her husband. She even found condoms kwi travel bag yakhe. So vele, that's proof yokuthi this person like is a cheater, because uyashukela ukuthi we don't use these condoms. She was even doing a video exposing the husband. Sharp. Usifakile phela ey'ndabeni zakho. We didn't go and ask you. You are the one who came with the video. You are the one who came with the evidence. Ugel was even exposing ama contacts that she found on her husband's cell phone. And then we started jumping in, obviously, because you are including us now in your affairs. And I mean, I didn't know about them before this incident, Shem. I didn't know. But people are saying good, they are famous on TikTok. They're just a famous couple living their lives on TikTok. So I don't know. But yeah, they started people started taking her side. Obviously, the wife would just leave, girl, leave that person with your children, file for divorce. Into zinjalo, mostly advice. But guess some people were advising her, don't do it, baby girl. And guess what, Isana? They are back together. They are even releasing a statement. Guys, these people are celebrities, ne? Kahle kahle yimo umuntu ongazi. Because I'm like, for you to even release a formal statement, are you that big? They released a statement saying that it has come to their attention that their affairs are circulating on social media. Who posted the video of your affairs? It's the wife. Most it has come to our attention, as if someone took the video and you were not aware that they are taking that video, and then they posted the video while you were not aware that. Guys, please, Ihle. So now they are posting a statement here saying that it has come to their attention that their affairs are circulating on social media. They request the privacy in these trying times. They are trying to rebuild. Sana, it's giving building here. They are trying to rebuild what's broken, so they are asking for space. We appreciate your what. Njani? Like Njani, or maybe they were doing this just to be famous. But like, people do things these days, and people do unexpected things. So Tabiso Paul and Precious, they are back together, guys. They are trying to rebuild what's broken, so they are just asking for a privacy, while they are the ones that included us in their news. But okay, it's fine. It's fine. They're back together, and rumor has it, Kesanakuto, allegedly, they are saying that they want to renew their vows. I don't know, guys. I mean, I believe she once a cheater, always a cheater, Sana. And Ugel, she was not supposed to expose the husband if she knows that she is not ready to leave the marriage. If you find out that your partner is cheating and you know that you are not going to leave, just keep it to yourself, Susana, because now you just messed up your reputation. You'll be known as that woman that forgave a cheating husband. Like, Sana, she should have just kept it to herself. This is one thing that I always say, don't make decisions when you are happy. Don't make decisions when you are sad. Don't make decisions when you are angry, because you'll take the wrong decision and then regret it after. Ugel was just angry and sad. Futhi she was angry. She was just angry. Uqeda ukufind out. Give yourself time to cool down before you post. So yeah, now the minute she found out, the phone was out. Yeah, she's cheating on me. He's cheating on me. Yeah, this and that. And then you regret it later. And then now you've managed to sort things out with your husband, and then we are here judging you like, girl. So sana. But anyway, we wish them all the best, and we will try to give them privacy that they need. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you on my next video. Bye.